Retiring early is a dream many people hold close to their hearts. But turning that dream into reality takes more than just hoping. It requires smart planning, steady discipline, and choosing the right assets that can grow your money even while you sleep. Saving alone often isn't enough. But building a strong mix of powerful, income-producing investments can push you toward financial freedom faster than you imagine. In today's video, we're breaking down the different types of assets that can help you retire early, assets that create long-term growth, steady passive income, and a strong financial base you can rely on. When chosen wisely and managed with care, these assets can support you for the rest of your life. 1. Real estate, building wealth through property. One of the most trusted and popular ways to build wealth is real estate. And it's not hard to see why. Real estate gives you two major paths to grow rich: property appreciation and rental income. Over time, the value of homes and buildings usually rises. When you buy a house or invest in rental property, you're buying something that typically becomes more valuable with each passing year, especially in busy, high-demand areas. This silent growth alone increases your wealth without you doing anything extra. Then comes the second benefit: monthly rental income. When you own rental homes or apartments, tenants pay you every month. That money can help cover expenses or even give you extra profit. Many early retirees depend on rental income because it provides a steady, predictable stream of cash that replaces their old paycheck. And when you hire a property manager, this income becomes mostly passive. But what if you want the benefits of real estate without the stress of fixing roofs or chasing tenants? That's where REITs, real estate investment trusts, come in. REITs allow you to invest in huge properties like malls, office towers, and apartment complexes without owning the building yourself. They gather money from many investors, manage the properties, and share the profits as dividends. You enjoy income, growth, and diversification without doing the work. Whether through physical property or REITs, real estate offers strong appreciation and steady cash flow, making it one of the most powerful tools for early retirement. 2. Dividend-paying stocks, earning passive income. Another essential asset for retiring early is dividend-paying stocks. Unlike regular stocks that only grow when the price rises, dividend stocks pay you regular income simply for owning them. Dividends are portions of a company's profit, and the more shares you own, the bigger your payouts. Companies in industries like utilities, consumer goods, and financial services often pay stable, reliable dividends. Many of these companies, like Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, and Procter & Gamble, have kept paying dividends even during tough economic times. That makes them especially attractive to early retirees looking for dependable income. There's also the power of reinvesting dividends. When you use your dividends to buy more shares, you increase your future payouts. This creates a compounding snowball effect where your income and investment keep growing year after year. By retirement, your portfolio might be large enough to cover all your expenses without selling any stock. This year especially, REITs and high-dividend stocks have become even more popular. Because interest rate cuts have lowered the returns people get from bank savings and loans. So investors looking for higher returns are rushing toward REITs and dividend stocks. In Canada, REITs have jumped 10% to 25% this year, and with stable dividends, that's a strong return. And now, investing in REITs or high-dividend stocks is simpler with platforms like Moomoo, which works with the Nasdaq and TSX. You can easily search for Canadian REITs, sort them by performance, check dividend details, view charts, and even set ranges for high-dividend stocks to filter the strongest options. Moomoo also supports DRIP, which automatically reinvests your dividends. Plus, through my partnership with Moomoo, you can grab a limited-time offer of up to 15 free stocks, 3 months of 8.1% APY, and up to $300 in transfer rewards, but only through my link and with terms and conditions applied. 3. Index funds, simple, low-cost growth. Index funds are one of the easiest and most reliable paths to long-term wealth. These funds track market indexes, like the S&P 500, and give you exposure to a wide range of companies all at once. With one purchase, you own tiny pieces of hundreds of top companies, such as Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon. Index funds are known for low fees because they aren't actively managed. You aren't paying a team of experts to pick stocks, it simply follows the market. Over time, the stock market has historically grown around 7% to 10% per year, so your money grows steadily without much effort. For early retirees, index funds offer a simple, stress-free way to grow wealth over years or decades. Their diversification and stability make them a foundation for nearly every successful retirement plan. For bonds, stability and income in retirement. As retirement gets closer, stability becomes even more important. Stocks? They can rise fast, but they can also crash. Bonds, however, give you protection. When you buy a bond, you're lending money to a company or the government. In return, they pay you interest regularly. These interest payments create predictable income, something you absolutely need when you stop receiving a paycheck. Bonds are also less volatile than stocks, meaning their value doesn't jump up and down as much. This makes them crucial for retirees who can't risk losing large chunks of their savings. By balancing stocks with bonds, you build a portfolio that offers both growth and security, helping you stay financially steady even when the market gets rough. 5. Cryptocurrency, high risk, high reward. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have caught the world's attention. They're exciting, fast-moving, and have made some early investors extremely wealthy. But they're also risky. Prices can jump or crash within hours. For people comfortable with risk, adding a small amount of cryptocurrency to a portfolio can boost potential returns. Just remember, because crypto is unpredictable, it should only be a small piece of your savings. It's not for everyone, but it can speed up early retirement if done carefully. 6. Starting a side business, building passive income. One often overlooked path to early retirement is creating a side business that brings in passive income. This could be an online store, a blog, a digital product, or any small business that earns money even when you're not actively working. Side businesses take effort at the beginning, but once they grow, they can bring in steady income, sometimes even enough to replace a full-time job. Some people eventually sell their business for a large lump sum, giving them extra money for retirement. Building a business is work, but the long-term rewards can be life-changing, especially if it starts producing income long after you stop managing it. 7. Maximizing tax-advantaged accounts. While tax-advantaged accounts like 401k, and IRAs aren't specific assets, they are powerful tools. They allow your money to grow tax-free or tax-deferred, meaning you keep more of what you earn. A Roth IRA lets your investments grow without future taxes, and a 401k with employer matching can dramatically boost your retirement savings. By maxing out contributions, you speed up your journey to financial freedom and protect more of your money from taxes. Retiring early may seem far away, but with the right assets, it becomes possible. Real estate, dividend stocks, index funds, bonds, cryptocurrency, side businesses, and tax-advantaged accounts all work together to create multiple streams of income and steady wealth. Start early. Diversify wisely. Build assets that grow and pay you back over time.